Many times when companies or organizations start out on a big data project, they don't understand the organizational change that needs to happen in order to be successful. And that is exactly what this class does. It shares the things that management and organizations need to do in order to manage enterprise data strategies effectively. In this class, I share some case studies and examples of exactly what companies need to do and what management needs to do in order to be successful with big data. To show these steps and changes, there are several different chapters within the course. The first one is Thinking in Big Data. In this chapter, we go through some of the more technical details at a much higher level for management in order for managers to understand what sorts of changes need to happen at a technical level. Then we talk about how we engineer our big data solutions. This chapter goes through the exact steps of how do companies and how do teams actually go through and make these changes. We go through specific steps of how managers and organizations create and roll out big data solutions that are actually successful. And finally, we go through our data teams. Many times when an organization thinks about rolling out a big data project, they just think about the data science aspect of it, that they will just create a data science team, for example. In this chapter, we go through and talk about the other two teams that are absolutely necessary and crucial for big data success. These two teams are the data engineering team and the operations team. Without these two teams, companies won't be successful. So in this chapter, we go through and talk about what exactly a data engineering team is, what it does, who a data engineer is, and then we go through the operations team and what do they do and what sorts of value they generate. And then we talk about how when all three teams are together and working together well, the sorts of value and sorts of successful projects that they generate. This class is all about creating success with big data. I have ample experience helping companies be successful with their big data projects. And I'd love to see you in class so that you can learn how to do this yourself.